morning, dear student. Welcome to UE Learning class managed by Modern English School Nevada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area Nevada. A student, I solved some problem of exercise 16A of examples related to the area of sector of circle and the segments. I write here first questions, that is 11. There are two circles touched externally. The sum of their areas is 135 and the distance between their center is 14 cm and the radius of the circle. Here the condition given, there are two circles and both circles are touched externally and the distance between their center, suppose its center is O and its center is O dash, and distance between their center is 14 cm, and here is given that radius, this is R1 and this radius is R. So what is the first condition? That is R1 plus R2 is 14. It is given in your question. So what is R2? This is 14 minus R1. You write it is first equation. Next, it is pi R1 plus pi R2 is equal to 135 given, because it is given the sum of the areas of two circles is 135. So write here 135. Pi take common and cancel. That is R1 square plus R2 square is 130. This is in the form of quadratic form. So your first work to remove, there are two variables, so convert into one variable. Here is R2, then it is 14 minus R1. So at the place of R2, I write 14 minus R1. So here is R1 square, it is A square, B square minus 2AB. So 14 square plus R1 square minus 2 into 14 into R1 is 135. That means R1 square plus 196 plus R1 square minus 28 R1 is equal to 130. That is R1 2R1 minus 28 R1 is equal to 130 minus 196. That is 2 R1 square minus 28 R1 is equal to minus 66. Then R1 minus 14 R1 is equal to minus 3. Take 2 as a common. Then R1 square minus 14 R1 plus 33 is equal to 0. Now your question is 33 and here is 14. So split 33 and get 14. It is only possible when you solve R1 minus 11 R1 minus 3 R1. 11 3 is 33 and 11 3 14. Take R1 as common, then R1 minus 11 minus 3 R1 as common, then R1 minus 11. That means R1 minus 3 R1 and R1 minus 11. Now R1 is minus 11 is 0. So what is R1? That is 11 centimeter. And what is R2? That is 14 minus 11. That is 3 centimeter. So you can solve these questions by this method. If your question is internally, then you change it like the question is there. Then one suppose is x, then other is x plus 3. If the distance of center is 3, then R1 is x, then R2 is equal to x plus 3. If the distance of two center of the in circle, so touching internally of the circle, then R1 is x, then R2 is x plus 3, and try to solve by this method and you can solve it. Now see question number 14, that is given in the figure. OABC is a rhombus. OABC is a rhombus whose three vertices A, B, C lies on the circle and rough radius 10 cm. That means it is 10 and radius is 10. It is 10 cm. Radius is 10 cm. Then center O. Find the area of rhombus. Dear student, it is a rhombus. If radius is 10, then OA is 10, OB is 10 cm and OC is the 10 because it is the radius. But it is also a rhombus. So OA is equal to AB because the side of rhombus are equal. So OA is equal to AB is equal to BC is equal to OC. These are 10, that means it is also 10. So what types of triangle this? So we write here that is OA is equal to OB due to radius, but OA is equal to AB due to rhombus. Because the side of rhombus are equal. Hence, you can say that OA is equal to OB is equal to AB. So what types of triangle it is? Hence, you can say that ABO is equilateral triangle. If it is equilateral, then what is the area of triangle ABO? it is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square, and side of this triangle is root 3 by 4 into 10 into 10. So you can see it's 2 5 ja and 2 5 ja, that is 25 root 3. It is the area of rhombus triangle ABO. So what is the area of rhombus? Then area of rhombus is equal to 2 into area of triangle, that is 50 root 3 centimeter square. It is the area of whole rhombus. How you can find? First we will work, if radius OA is equal to OB is equal to OC given, then it is a rhombus, then AO is equal to AB, because it is a rhombus, then it is the side of rhombus. OB is the radius, then all sides are equal. If all sides are equal of this triangle, then it is an equilateral triangle. An area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. So it is root 3 by 4 into 10 into 10. Then it is 25 root 3 cm square. Then what is the area of rhombus? It is the 2 times of this. So 2 into 25 root 3, that is 50 root 3 cm square is the area of rhombus. Now see question number 16. A chord of a circle of radius 14 cm makes a right angle at the center. That means it is a circle and a chord makes a right angle at the center. That is O and AB is the chord. Makes right angle at the center. Find the area of minor segment. It is minor segment. And the remaining part of the circle is called major segment. So dear student, your formula is only minor segments. Major segment has no formula. So first you find the area of minor segment, and then you subtract the area of minor segment from the area of circle, then you get area of major segment. So first I write area of minor segment right, area of minor segment is equal to theta by 360 pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta. What is theta? 90 by 360 pi 22 by 7. What is r? That is 14 into 14 minus 1 by 2. What is r? 14 into 14. What is theta? That is sin 90. Hence 94 ja, 7 2 ja, and it is 2 2 4 ja, and 2 cancel. Then it is 154. 11 into 40, that is 154, and minus cancel 7, and the value of sin 90 is 1. So you can write here value of sin 91. Then it is 7 to 7, that is 98. So what you get here, it is 154 and 98 minus, then 14 minus, it is 6, here is 14, 95, 14 minus 8, that is 6, and here is 14 minus 5, that is 56. So 56 cm square is the area of minor segment. Next your question, what is the area of major segment? So first you find area of circle, and it is equal to pi r square. Then it is equal to 22 by 7. What is r? That is 14 into 14. So cancel. 28 into 22, 28 into 22, that is 56, and 56, 616, that is 616 cm square. So what is the major segment? Major segment is equal to the 616 minus 56 cm square, that is 0, and 5, that is 56 centimeter square. It is the major segment, area of major segment. So dear student, your question is related to very important question to related to their segment. If theta is given 90, then your question is what is the area of minor segment, and it is equal to theta by 360 pi square minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta. But here theta is 90, so the value of sin theta is 1. So first you write this formula and you get here that the answer will be 56 cm square. It is the area of minor segment. After that, your question is also find the area of major segments. Then you first find area of circle, then it is 600 cm square, 616 cm square. Then what is the area of major segment? Then from circle you subtract the minor segment, then it is 516. It is the area of major segments. Now see example 18. The minute hand of a clock is 12 centimeter long. Find the area of the face of the clock described by the minute hand in 35 minutes. It is a clock and minute hand is here, and after 35 minutes it will be there. So your question is what is the area of this face in 35 minutes. So dear student, first your work that in 35 minutes how many degree formed by the minute hand at the center. If minute hand round one round of the clock, then it's make 360 because it is a circle, and when one round it is, then it makes 360 degree. Then one round takes time 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes takes 360 degree angles at the center. So in 1 minute how many degree? 360 by 60, that is 6 degree. So it is clear the minute hand makes 6 degree at the center in 1 minute. How it is possible? Because minute hand round one round of the clock then makes 360 at the center. But taken time by this minute hand is 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes he makes 360 degree. So in 1 minute how many degree makes it? That is 6 degree. So in 1 minute it makes 6 degree angle, and your question is makes the angle by 35 minutes, then it is 35 into 6, that is 210 degree. So it is 210 degree is the theta. And your question, what is the area of this face? So it is called the sector. So area of this face is denoted by theta by 360 pi r square. So it is theta is 210 by 360 into 22 by 7, and what is the r? That is 12 into 12 r square. So here is 0 cancel, 7 3 ja cancel, and 3 12 ja cancel, and 12 12 cancel. So we have 22 into 12, that is 12 2 ja 24 in hand 2, and 12 2 ja 24 and 2 264 cm square is the area of the minute hand found by minute hand at the center in 35 minutes, and it is the face area of this clock. So it your answer is 264. Dear students, now question number 22. An umbrella has 8 leaves which are equally spaced. That means this part are equally spaced of a circle, radius 42 cm. Find the area between two consecutive leaves. Means what is the area of this sector? If there are 8 leaves, then it is clear the whole circle divided into 8 parts. Then if it is 8 parts, so what is the sector 1, area of one sector? But our sector has equal area. Then clear way, first to find area of whole circle and divided by 8, then you can get area of this one part. So it is an umbrella and there are 8 leaves. So first you find area of circle and divided by 8, then you can get what is the area of sector between two leaves. So what is the area of circle? First you write area of circle. It is equal to pi r square, that is 42 into 42. 42 into 42. It is cancelled 6 jar. So area is 22 into 6 into 42 cm square. It is the area of whole circle, that means whole umbrella. I will question what is the area of the sector between two ribs. One means what is the area of one sector, and there are 8 sectors are there. So area of one sector, you can write 22 into 6 into 42 divided by 8. So it is 11 to the, it is 4. It is 3 the, it is 2. It is 21. So your answer is 21 into 3 into 11. So what you get here? 21 into 3, 63, and multiply by 11, that is 3 into 6. So 3 and 6, 3, 9 and 6. So it is whole area is 22 into 6 into 42, 7 6 are, then divided by 8, then it is centimeter square, that means it is 693 centimeter square is the area of one sector between two ribs. So umbrella is the form of in the circle, and your question is what is the area of sector formed by two ribs, that means it is divided by 8, then you can get the area of sector. Now see 25 question number. A horse is tied to the peg at one corner of the square and shaped grass field of side 15 meter long. The side of the square is 15 meter long. Y means 5 meter long rope. Find the area of that part field in which the horse can graze. If the rope of the horse is 5 meter, then what is the area of this part? Your first question. Now second question, if the rope is increased 10 meter, then what is the area of increase here? If rope is now here and it is 10 meter, then what is the area of increase area of this part? So dear student, it is a square, that means it is clear, here is 90, that means theta is 90, and it is the form of a sector. So what is the area of sector? Theta by 360 pi r square, that is 90 by 360, value of pi is 3.14. If it is given value of pi 3.14, then it is compulsory for you that you take 3.14 at the place of pi. So it is 3.14 by 100, 525 into 400, and here is 494, that is 314 by 16, and it is equal to 19.625 cm square. So area of this part is 90.625 cm square. After that, now rope is increased and it is maybe 10 meter. So now rope is 10 centimeter long. So what is the area of this? Again 90 by 360 pi r square. Here pi is 3.14 into 10 into 10. Then remove the point. Here is 100 cancel. That is 314 by 4. You divide by 4, then you get 78.5 cm square. It is the area of second area when increase the rope 10 meter. Now what is the difference between them? Here is 78.50 and here is 90.625 cm square. So what is increase area? You subtract, then you get 58.875 cm square. It is the increase the area of this part. So today's session, it is the last questions. Other questions up to 25, try to solve by yourself. If any types of problem, then ask to me. Thank you, dear student.